Okay, guys, here we go again. So I think you guys are probably having trouble with this sheet that Mrs. Havens posted for you guys to work on. So the directions say determine the value of the unknown in each question or each equation. So you have to find the unknown. The unknown is the letter variable. So that would be H here, D, Y, C, S, V, W, M, Q, and N. You kind of get the idea. So let's work through the first one together and see how we do. So I wrote it over here. 2 times 3 minus H minus 6 equals negative 5H. We have to isolate H. In order to do that, our first step is to take a look at this 2 times 3 minus H and work our distributive property. So 2 times 3 would be 6. 2 times negative H is negative 2H minus 6 equals negative 5H. So just like we did earlier in the week, we have to put all like terms together. So 6 minus 6 is 0. They cancel each other out. So positive 6 minus 6 is 0. We're left with negative 2H on this side and equals negative 5H on that side. Again, we have to get all of our variables on the same side. So we're going to put a 2 plus 2H on this side, which would give us 0, equals plus 2H over here, because what you do to the right, you have to do to the left. What you do to the left, you have to do to the right. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3H. But still do not get H by itself. We have to divide. Negative 3 and negative 3. Again, what you do to the left, you do to the right. What you do to the right, you do to the left. 0 divided by negative 3 is 0. And negative 3 divided by negative 3, or negative 3H divided by negative 3, leaves us with just H. So H equals 0. That's number 1. Okay? What do you mean what?
It'll be, if you cancel that out, it would be H equals...
No, it won't, because it's 2H. Good question.
Okay, never mind.
Right? So what Aiden was saying was that why is it not H over here? Well, because you're taking negative 2H and you're subtracting 2H. Or, I'm sorry, you're adding 2H. So you're taking away or giving back the H. All right, let's try number 2. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
7 plus 9D equals 7D plus 3. All right. Remember, anytime you have a number with an operation in front of it, a positive for plus or a negative for subtraction, it goes together. So this is a positive 3, a positive 9D. Once again, we have to get all of our variables on the same side. Doesn't matter which way you go first. I'm going to start with 7 or 3. Okay? In order for me to get my 3 and my 7 together and on the same side, I'm going to subtract 3 here, which is going to give me 7D plus 0. Well, I guess I should put that underneath. Hold on. Okay? I subtract 3 here. I'm going to subtract 3 here. And this will give me 4 plus 9D. Well, now I have 9D here and 7D. So now I have to get this 9D over with 7D. So I'm going to subtract 9D on both sides. This cancels out and becomes 0. So this is now 4 equals Something is bleeping over there. 7D minus 9D is negative 2D. Once again, I have to do like I did up here and divide. So I'm going to divide this side by negative 2 and divide this side by negative 2. And my answer will be negative 2D equals D. So D equals negative 2. Okay? So I'm going to let you try to do a couple for yourself, and then I will work about 3 or 4 and then come back and show you what I did. Okay? So try 3 and 4.